Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a number counter to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the tool sections, and right down here you'll see the number counter. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 options here, which are content, layout, style, and settings. In the content section, you can set the text, number, icons, and the widget title of your number counter. To add a new counter, just click this add counter button right here. After that, you should choose the counter value source for your number counter. If you have an external URL, just click this and insert the URL here. But if you don't, you can add the value source manually like this. For example, I want to add 5 years of experience counter. So I will change the end value to 5. Write years of experience in the caption. And add an icon by clicking this add button and choose from library or upload from computer. I'll go with icons from library. Choose the calendar and click done. You can also add link and custom color here and click done once you've done adding the counter. Click this 3 dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, or delete the counter. If you want to change the order or positions of the counter, you can click and hold it like this and move it to any position that you want. Next, we move on to layout. Here you can choose how you want your number counter to look like by changing the number of columns, space between counters, settings for mobile display, and the width. And also you can choose the elements layout here. After that, let's move on to style, where you can customize your number counter design by changing the colors and style of the widget background and title. For example, I want to change the color of the widget background to a bright blue. You can also change the color of the counter background, number, caption, and icon color, and set the font style and font size in desktop or mobile. Lastly, we move on to the last option, which is settings, where you can set the animation speed and type, enable number formatting, and change the language if you need to. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go ahead and click on the green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan at the very left by clicking this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section. Then click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of your widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. You can adjust the size of the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here, I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix. Right-click the widget, then choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, and paste the code by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a number counter on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.